Hello guys, today I just want to make a brief unbox of the Powerdewise, which is a kind of a nice, a nice microphone, especially the kind of person that wants to start doing vlogging, you want to start with a YouTube journey, and you just have a phone. Then I recommend you have to get for yourself this. This is the Powerdewise, which is a kind of a nice to record your voice in a very nice way, and then it makes everything comfortable. Currently, you're just hearing the noise in the background, but the voice is not that clear. There are sometimes, maybe most of the videos you have seen, how I used to fix it in my mind, just somewhere around here, and then to make the voice clear. So it is not all that expensive. It's just kind of a $20. You can just go to Amazon or eBay. You can just purchase it online, and then it is shipped to your to South Sudan. To your location. Sorry, I'm currently on this video in South Sudan, and that's where. And then transferring it like within US is free. But now outside US, it's kind of a costly thing, which it has to cost me something about $50 for me to receive this. So at $20 only, I purchased this, and again I had to spend an extra amount of money, about $30. So the whole total is kind of a 50. So it's something really nice, which is I guess everything is good. So in this video, I'm going to make in this video actually I'm going to give you an unboxing of this Powerdewise, and we're also going to test it in the process, and as you're going to see. So I'm going to show you what's the content inside there and how you are going to use it so far. So please let's get down to the unboxing. Just going to show you what are the things that we have inside this power that comes with Powerdewise, and let me just unbox it. Okay, so these are most of the things that comes with Powerdewise, and this is the kind of a quick guide and tips, especially when coming to this gadget here. So let me also unbox this and see what we have inside this thing. Oh, okay, this is the microphone extension, because here we're saying this is a 6.5 feet microphone cord, which is this, and I think it's really seems to be kind of a nice thing. Then we have a rotational clip, which is also this one that you're seeing, which is also something really great, and it's sometimes something like a kind of a very strong thing when you look at it, especially when you kind of also want to really make something great. So I think this thing's really great, and it comes with something really nice when you look at it. I think it's really good when you play around with that. So that's what comes out with this, and that's where sometimes it is also somehow flexible, where sometimes it cannot maybe break easily, but it's just a matter of taking care of it, and so that you make everything great. So let me fix it back. Okay, it is in position. Then we have this thing, an extra cover of the mic, so that maybe anytime that this one, the other one get lost, you can use it. But however, to also help in reducing the sound wave, the kind of noise in the background, at times also it narrows that down there in a kind of a place. But now you're hearing a lot of noise in the background because I'm not using any mic. So this is what comes with this, and this is kind of having this kind of this packed in one of this, where you can use that. So let's see what is there again. Oh, this is an extension, 6.5 feet extension, which is also attached to it. Okay, yes, the other thing that I was talking about is this is a kind of an extension. It has a kind of a tool round that mostly connects to certain devices, because sometimes there are certain cameras which might be, or certain cameras that are always having this, that they need this kind of things with this two round. This first brown, and then the other one black one there. However, this one seems to be having the 3 round, which is also something nice, because you're seeing the other one, then the other 2, and then the 3. So which is also sometimes good. So that's what it comes with it. This is actually the complete set, what is included when coming to the Powerdewise thing. So that's what it is all about. So and there I'm going to test it, and then you're going to see the difference there. Okay, welcome back. So now this is 6.5 extension cord, where it is kind of a long thing, you just see the way it is. It's really long, right? That means that the company thing, the two from here. If you just make like this, you would see just very long, really, just longer than like kind of 6 feet. really long. So this is an extension cable, because now if you scale the distance where I'm seated, as if this from here, that will be like 3.2.5. Then we have the 6.5 cord, that is where the mic itself is, and I'm going to connect it together so that I still will start hearing the voice. So this is how you do it. You just have to make sure that you connect the two together. We just fix it here, and everything is now good to go. I hope everything is really fine here. Okay, hey, please, just a reminder. Did you subscribe to this channel? Okay, if not, what are you waiting for? But if you haven't subscribed, please, thank you. And please, if you don't subscribe, please just do us that favor. Subscribe so that this video be able to go viral, so that many people can be able to also find a benefit from this. I guess we're finding a value. So please, now I'm going to fix it. So to start with, I'm going to fix this cord somewhere here and my cloth. And again, maybe we're going to find something different. And then first remove it from here. I can just turn it like this so that they can have a space for when I'm going to fix it. So you can fix it here. That if it goes currently, maybe it goes directly to your phone, you can just fix it there. But not the way you can use it most of the time. It is good that you have to fix it inside your glove. So I'm going to do it. Just yeah, like this. Okay, I think I'm good to go. I think there's something there inside. Okay, I can do this. And then I have to connect it now. Yes.
Okay, welcome back. I hope the sound sounds a bit better, because I have the Powerdewise mic very close to my mouth and has look at the distance here about 4 feet. So that makes it a little bit, nice, especially shooting your shot, balancing the scale, the frame actually, because sometimes it is good. You don't need to zoom very close to your phone like this so that you begin talking like that. Now, I like sometimes having this kind of a distance, but sometimes the interaction of a wind blows up the sounds and everything. Sometimes they're not good. That's why you need the Powerdewise very close to you and make sure that it reduces the noise in the background and everything looks good. So please, this is Powerdewise, just something really great, and it's not that expensive. Please, once again, if you want to order for iPhone, there is one also having a picture of the iPhone, how to use it, and most of it is kind of limited to only mainly iPhone phone. For Android phone, because for the Android you can use it in the desktop, the laptop, phone, tablet, and then let's say camera. So this is it, and then you can also see what it comes with, and this is something really great. So please, this is this video all about, and I'm going to also have a review of the other condenser microphone that I'm also having, but that is for people who want to do just kind of avoid a faceless kind of videos where you have a channel just you talk about it, like in a channel Video Production Avenue, where I teach people video editing tips and skills, especially when coming to Pro Show, coming to Camtasia, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Adam and the other video pad and DaVinci plus others. So this channel, that particular channel, is dedicated for people who want to start their video, want to improve on their video editing skills, and the link is in the description below. Video Production Avenue, just click it to take you to my channel, and please, you have to subscribe, and so that you also don't miss out. Every Sunday we upload a video on that channel, and every Thursday we upload a video on this channel, GAM. So, and this channel is particularly dedicated to educating you how you can succeed, teach you the tools and the skills that you need to succeed as a video influencer. I'm going to see you then.